This morning we're talking about maintaining and preserving your beautiful cutting boards, wooden countertops, and more. And who else to help us out than our friends at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. This is Steve. Steve, thanks for joining us again.
Good morning. We have all this beautiful hardwood product, and how do you take care of it?
I don't know.
Right?
That's why I'm here, because I feel like you, along with everyone here at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, you always have the answers that I'm looking for.
Well, when it comes to the kitchen area of the home, okay, food preparation, everybody loves the wood countertops, right? We have this beautiful red oak countertop here in a cherry butcher block, but do I put a urethane or a polyurethane on them? Oh, what if I want to use it as a food prep area?
Right.
So then you can do that. You have to get a food grade preservative,
Okay.
wood preservative, and there is maintenance involved.
Okay.
Where the polyurethanes are, you have the pretty of the wood,
Sure.
but you're not going to be cutting food on a polyurethane product. So you would opt out for something in a food grade oil.
Okay.
Same thing with your butcher block or your cutting boards. We recommend putting the pretty wood in, get it sealed real good with a urethane.
Okay.
Okay. You have the beautiful appearance, and then get one of the cutting boards and use that as your work area.
All right, so I want to break this down a little bit, and the reason I do, when I remember getting married and I got a beautiful cutting board and I was cleaning it with water and soap, and my mother-in-law said, Nicole, that is not the proper way to care for a cutting board. So was she right or was she not right?
She was right.
She was right. Of course she was.
A couple don't do's when it comes to your wood cutting boards.
Yeah.
They don't go in the dishwasher.
Okay, I knew that.
You don't put them in the oven to dry them down.
Okay, that can start a fire.
And the soap detergent products, you want to stay away from.
So you don't
that.
want to submerge it in water. You don't want the
Right.
soap.
The Howard Company
Yeah.
offers a full range of preservative products, especially for the cutting boards, and they offer a cutting board cleaner,
Okay.
which it's lemon, oil enhanced, and coconut oil.
I remember a famous chef on television. She used a combination of those ingredients. So you're basically taking the guesswork out of it.
With that
With that
product.
product.
But yes, you're referring to our friend Rachel. That's as simple as cutting a lemon in half, squeezing the lemon juice onto the board,
Okay.
adding some sea salt, and then rubbing it to a slurry, and then rinsing it with clear water. Like you say, they take the guesswork out of it for you. But
So Steve, if you are properly cleaning and preserving with the conditioner your cutting boards and the butcher block, this is something then that could essentially last you a lifetime if you're doing it the right way?
I have cutting boards that have been past generations. So
All
this
right.
is very easy. The wood will only absorb so much of the treatment,
Okay.
and then it'll lay on top in excess. You remove that, leave the board dry, then you would do a second application.
How often do you have to do this?
Whatever you do to the front,
You have to
you
do-
do to the back,
Got it.
and that keeps the wood balanced.
Steve, I just want to thank you so much. I think this will prevent me from having to buy 50 million cutting boards because now I know how to preserve and maintain just one of them.
Okay, so I've got a pretty good coat on that.
Okay.
See any spots I missed?
Right there, right there.
There you go.
Yep, and right there. All right,
Okay. So it's a little bit slippery.
Okay.
But
perfect. I'm just
yep,
gonna wipe
go
it
with
off.
a clean cloth.
And then of course, if you are interested in getting a beautiful cutting board like this or just learning more, you can visit our friends at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods in Canfield. Thank you so much. I think we did it.
There you go.
It looks beautiful. Thank you.